What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play No Judgement by Niall Horan. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's using 4 different chords that you just pick through and they just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab that I made for this song. You can find that down in the description as well. If you need either of them, jump into the description. Once you get done, they are there for you. Starting with C sharp minor, it's going to be 0, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Bar the 4th fret with your index finger starting on the A string, ring finger 6th fret D string, pinky finger 6th fret G string, middle finger 5th fret B string. From there, you're technically going to an E chord, but all you need is your index finger on the 7th fret of the A and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the B. You just need those 2 strings for the next chord. So 7th fret A, index finger, 9th fret B, pinky finger. Then you're going to go G sharp minor, which is 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4. You're barring the entire 4th fret with your index finger. Then you're going 6th fret A string with your ring finger and 6th fret D string with your pinky finger. And then from there, we're going just a regular A major. It's 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, pinky finger 2nd fret B string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your picking. Starting on the C sharp minor, we're going to pick A, D, B, G, A. Slide that up to 7, and then pinky finger 9, 10, 9. Again, A, D, B, G, A, slide to 7, 9, mute, 10, mute, 9, mute. Then go to your G sharp minor, and you're going to pick E, A, G, D, E on 2, A, and then you're going to your A major, open A, D, B, G. Again, E, A, G, D, E on 2, A, D, B, G. Now I'm going to play through that a couple times very slowly so that you can see what it looks like, and then I'll play it full speed so you can see what it looks like full speed. So here we go. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.